Hello and welcome everyone. I'm here with a new case study for Google Ads being disapproved for compromise site. But for those who don't know, we have been sorting out issues for Google Ads disapproved for any issue, be it a circumventing system, compromise site, unreliable claim, or even YouTube ad disapproval. Even we can help with Google business profile suspension, even we can help with Google Magistrator suspension, Google Ads management, or Shopify web development. Me and my team can help you in all of these issues. Just to let you know that my name is Ali Raza and I'm an owner of a Google partner company. And in case if you need our service, you can hire us through the link in the description. Now let's get back to this amazing Google Ads disapproval case study where the ads were being disapproved for compromised site. So now let's get started. This was the website over here. You can see over here. This is a website primarily related to clothing niche. You can see over here the website. You can see over here the items. The products they are selling. They are female dresses. You can see over here the dresses. All of the dresses categories over here. So yeah, this is how we started. Now I'm going to show you the ad disapproval first of all. So this is the ad disapproval, where you can see over here the website name highlypraised.com, where the ad was not eligible, disapproved due to compromise site. This was error over here. So whenever there is an error over here, what we do is we do the security checkup of the website, we do the Google search console of the website, we do the Google page speed optimization, we look for the website or the file for any issues on the theme plugin. Sometimes there is a malware being installed on the website which can cause this issue. Sometimes the issue may vary. I cannot confirm to you that with this issue, but because we have to check. Also, a communication needed to be done with Google support team on what is the error which is triggering to them, which is causing this suspension, disapproval. Apart from this, we also look for Google search console errors, sometimes the Google search console error, sometimes the placeholder error. So there can be so many reasons, or sometimes it's all of a mistake done by the Google team. So anything can be a possibility. And even after sorting out or doing out all the changes on the website, we need to inform to the Google that what changes of we have done, and then based on our recommendation, they do a fresh scan or fresh review of the account to get it approved, manually approved. So you can see over here the website which was being disapproved for the compromise site. Now, as a Google partner, we started with the chat support, email support, and the phone call support. We started simultaneously on the project. However, ideally, we usually get it restored within 3 to 4 days. However, this case took a little longer and we had to go around to 11 to 12 days. So we apologize to our client as well on this. But I'm just telling you that sometimes the cases can go longer. So we cannot predict all these things as well. However, we try on our best to get it approved as soon as possible. You can see over here that there were 4 errors as well, which were being being found on the website, where there were number of not found pages were 188, several error pages, slow speed, robots.txt file needed changes because there were many pages which was unnecessarily being blocked by robots.txt. Soft 404 is a small error that can be ignored. You can see over here there was a communication done on the chat, there was a call support as well, and there was an email support as well. And then after several attempts and reviews, we got it approved over here. You can see over here. Now I'm going to show you 2. So I'm going to refresh so you guys can see that it's all natural and nothing is fake over here. I'm sorry I cannot show you the confirmation email where we get it manually approved. Unlike on the other cases, it all depends on the client to client permission over here. You can see over here that the ad is now approved. You can check the verified domain as well, and the status is eligible. I'm going to show you another ad as well by them, so you guys have an idea. Now this exactly matches the disapproval ad. You can see over here that the ad is eligible. If I'm going to show you the disapproval, you can see over here that this was a disapproval, same like this. So here it's being approved. So yeah, this is another successful case study for Google Ads being disapproved for compromise side. As I told, there are few errors which I have discussed in the video. These could be the possible reasons why your ad is being disapproved. However, for other cases, it may vary from case to case, site to site, what kind of a problem the site has or the country is. We are able to look around on any issue and I can help you and get it sorted for your Google Ads disapproval, Google Magistrator suspension, Google business profile suspension. Plus, we can help with Google Ads management. We are a Google partner company. Also, we help with clients in sorting out in Shopify web development. So in case if you need either of the services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. And so far we have solved like hundreds of cases of Google ad disapproval, which shows our expertise. So yeah, we look forward to working with you. Once again, thank you for watching this quick video. I hope you like this quick case study. So yeah, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.